So let's talk about 5 different ways that you can make money from affiliate marketing. Now, the 5 different ways you can make money from affiliate marketing includes blogging, content marketing, WhatsApp marketing, maybe influencer marketing, or email marketing. So blogging is setting up a blog, posting your talking about values thing and then trying to post your, affiliate links there and recommend products. Remember, for affiliate marketing, you are recommending products to people that need them. Recommend products that are helpful to people that need them. Okay. Don't try to shove down products down people's throat. Don't do that. It's not a good way. It's not a good way to sell. It's not ethical. So don't try to do that. For content marketing, that's where you see people on TikTok, YouTube trying to, sell to other people through by making a video on this and then they try to sell. You most times you can even see product recommendations where people talk about this product and then they tell you to go and get it. The link is on their bio or link is anywhere. When you click the link and make purchase, of course, they get their money. So WhatsApp marketing, which is the one that is rampant in Nigeria. So everybody, sells on WhatsApp. They bring it to their WhatsApp DM and try to close you. So influencer marketing using influencers. You hear about people talking about one expert this, one expert that. Use my coupon code, and that is affiliate marketing as well. Then email marketing, which is the more advanced one, and of course that's where the money really is. It's the banger, especially for foreigners, right? For Nigerians, you will make a lot of money from water marketing, even if you are not doing email marketing. So you'll make money from it. So the email marketing, which is like the top, you build an email list, you generate using your lead magnets, and that's how it works. Okay.
So that will be all for now. If you enjoyed the video you just watched, I want you to know that I've put together a free training on affiliate marketing that is going to teach you how to make your first 150K. And that's not just all. It also go in depth to teach you things like how to create irresistible offers, how to drive massive traffic to the hot selling product that you've chosen, how to also choose a hot selling product. And that's not all. I also attached a free gift at the end of it. So make sure to watch the full masterclass right here. And don't forget to like this video and share with your friends who are going to find it very valuable. Make sure to also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more trainings such as this to help you with your daily things, because I talk about freelancing, I talk about sales, and I talk about affiliate marketing. So bye for now. And I'm Michael Arisa, your friendly value mate. Remember, don't just get online, get noticed.